Best crypto to buy now November 23. PYTH, UNI, Blur. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. The PYTH Network's PYTH price is on the rise, having surged over 14% in the past 24 hours, while Uniswap and Blur are also in the news along with crypto presales Bitcoin ETF token and Bitcoin Minetrix, which are among the best crypto to buy now. These cryptocurrencies and crypto presales are gaining traction due to big developments and market movements. Best crypto to buy now in the news. The PYTH Network, the fourth largest Oracle project with a total value locked of $1.5 billion, has an ongoing airdrop for 90,000 users totaling 255 PYTH tokens. This hints at potential growth in the project's user base. PYTH has shown bullish momentum lately. Traders are optimistic about the possibility of PYTH hitting $1 by the end of November. In addition to the airdrop, two major exchanges have listed PYTH for trading. On November 20, the OKX exchange added PYTH to its perpetual market, allowing up to 50x leverage. Then on November 22, Binance listed a PYTH perpetual futures contract. These new listings are expected to increase the visibility and trading volume of the PYTH token. The recent exchange listings combined with the airdrop signify the PYTH Network's efforts to expand its presence in the crypto market. If momentum continues, PYTH could see substantial growth in adoption and valuation in the coming weeks. Uniswap's governance token UNI posted a 95.96% in yesterday's candle close, outperforming the broader crypto market. Building on this momentum, UNI set a new multi-month high of $6.443 earlier today. UNI is currently trading at $6.405, up by 4.85% so far today. In governance developments, a new proposal in Uniswap's DAO seeks to increase voting power for active yet underrepresented delegates. Blur, which is currently transitioning to Season 3, has seen a notable increase in price thanks to rewards given to participants in Season 2. It's time to blast off. I just received $22,851,000 Blur from Blur EOS Season 2 drop. Season 3 starts now and is powered by Blast Altwo, the only Altwo with native yield backed by Paradigm and Standard Crypto. Pick Twitter.com/JDKGChiro and S. Hanwi at Hanwi Chang. November 21, 2023. The airdrop for Season 2 was particularly generous, with prominent NFT trader Hanwi securing an exceptional $11 million in Blur tokens. This highlights Blur's dynamic reward system, which appears to scale rewards based on usage and activity levels. In recent market action, Blur was one of the largest gainers yesterday, surging 42.63% to trade at around 50 cents. Based on a cup and handle pattern, there is anticipation that Blur could rally further. Blur has already recovered over 230% from its all-time low in October, and predictions suggest its price could reach $1 by the end of the year. As the cryptocurrency market continues evolving, new crypto projects are surfacing as serious Bitcoin alternatives. For example, the presales for Bitcoin ETF token and Bitcoin Minetrix are attracting notice as potentially lucrative investments. Though still in the early stages, these new cryptos have the potential to become the best crypto to buy in 2023 as the market expands. Read on for an in-depth look at why PYTH, UNI, Blur, BTC and BTCMTX may be the best crypto to buy now. PYTH price soars another 14.34%. Bulls continue to charge. The PYTH Network PYTH price has seen a continuation of yesterday's bullish momentum so far today, with the cryptocurrency trading up 14.34% at 48,118 cents. This strong upside move comes after PYTH staged an impressive 43.90% rally yesterday. From a technical perspective, the short-term outlook remains positive for PYTH. The hourly 20 EMA currently stands at 46,230 cents, above the 50 EMA at 42,300 cents. Typically, when the faster-moving average is above the slower-moving average, it signals bullish momentum in the near term. Additionally, the RSI for PYTH is currently at 62, well below the overbought threshold of 70. This shows there is still room for the rally to potentially continue before becoming overextended. The MACD histogram is printing at 0.227, slightly below the zero line. This indicates slowing bullish momentum, but not enough yet to reverse the uptrend. In terms of key levels, PYTH faces initial resistance at today's intraday high of 51,054 cents. On the downside, the first support lies at the 20-period EMA of 46,230 cents. Below that, the coin has a layer of more established support between 41,160 cents and 41,984 cents, where the 50 EMA and Fib 0.382 levels converge. Overall, the PYTH price remains in a short-term uptrend following yesterday's breakout. Technical factors point to potential continuation higher, but traders should watch for the rally to lose momentum as signified by the RSI and MACD. Upside appears favored while PYTH holds above the 20-period EMA support. Uniswap's UNI price continues uptrend, with 4.85% gains so far today. The Uniswap UNI price continues trending higher, with the crypto up 4.85% today to $6.405. This follows a substantial 95.96% rally yesterday, showing strong bullish momentum for UNI in the short term. Looking at key moving averages, the 20-day EMA for UNI stands at $5.226, while the 50-day EMA resides at $4.861. With a faster 20-day EMA above the 50-day, this indicates an established uptrend. The widening gap between the two EMAs points to accelerating upside momentum. The RSI is currently reading 71.96, up from yesterday's 69.11. While in overbought territory, the RSI still has room to rise before becoming extremely overheated. This suggests the potential for additional near-term gains for the UNI price. Additionally, the MACD histogram shows a reading of 0.072, an increase from 0.015 yesterday. The positive and growing histogram supports the bullish bias. In terms of levels to watch, UNI faces resistance between $6.326 and $6.489, which it is currently testing. Acceptance above this zone would open the door for possible continuation towards upside targets. On support, the first line lies at the Fib 0.786 level of $6.84. Below that, the UNI price has stronger support around the Fib 0.618 level of $5.602. As long as UNI holds above these areas, the short-term uptrend remains intact. UNI remains in a firmly bullish posture following yesterday's rally. With technical factors still favoring the upside, traders may look for long opportunities as long as the 20-day EMA and Fib support hold. A breakback below $5.600 would signal a near-term trend shift. Blur price prediction: signs of potential weakness amidst uptrend. Despite posting impressive gains of 42.63% yesterday and trading up another 1.26% so far today to 5,048 cents, the Blur price now faces signs of potential near-term weakness based on key technical indicators. Traders should exercise caution before taking new long positions at current levels. While the 20-day EMA for Blur stands at 3,639 cents and the 50-day EMA resides at 3,014 cents, pointing to an established uptrend, a bearish RSI divergence has formed on the daily time frame, giving pause to the rally. The Relative Strength Index RSI currently reads 73.66 compared to last week's reading of 83.22, making a higher high. However, the Blur price put in a lower high over the same period, creating the bearish divergence. This suggests fading upside momentum that could lead to a pullback. Additionally, the MACD histogram shows a bullish crossover reading of 0.0072 against yesterday's 0.0008. However, this may prove to be a bull trap due to the bearish RSI divergence. On the downside, Blur has potential support between 4,482 cents and 4,718 cents, a prior resistance zone that could now act as support on any pullbacks. Below that, the 20-day EMA around 3,639 cents marks the critical near-term support level to watch. As long as Blur holds above these support levels, the longer-term uptrend remains intact. However, traders should be cautious about new longs given the RSI divergence until the Blur price can stabilize and confirm the rally. A decisive move back below the 20-day EMA would strengthen the case for a deeper correction. Caution is still warranted on Blur here even after the strong gains. Allowing the RSI to reset while waiting for confirmation of the bullish crossover could improve the risk-reward scenario for new long positions on a rebound off key support zones. While the prices of PYTH, UNI, and Blur fluctuate with the latest market moves, investors look to get ahead of the pack by targeting cryptos currently fundraising. Crypto presales for Bitcoin ETF token and Bitcoin Minetrix exemplify this, with both projects tied to unique value propositions in the Bitcoin ETF and crypto mining spaces respectively. Exploring overlooked Bitcoin alternatives in the presale stage. With crypto juggernauts like Bitcoin dominating the headlines, investors are probing the market for promising Bitcoin alternatives still flying under the radar. The goal is to grab a stake before market enthusiasm propels prices upward. But how does one separate the wheat from the chaff in today's crowded cryptoverse? One approach is targeting newly minted blockchain projects conducting presale events for their native tokens. Unlike public sales, presales allow early bird purchase of tokens at discounted rates compared to eventual listing prices. Although risky, presales offer a first-mover advantage with new cryptocurrencies before they gain mainstream traction. The trick lies in picking winners positioned to solve real problems or meet unmet needs. Two crypto presales gaining intrigue among investors are newcomers Bitcoin ETF token and Bitcoin Minetrix. Their presale token discounts could grant investors access to the next crypto breakouts at a fraction of the project's potential future price. Bitcoin ETF token, the best crypto to buy now for Bitcoin ETF optimists. The settlement this week of criminal charges against Binance could improve the likelihood of a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF getting approved. On November 21, Binance settled allegations by the U.S. Department of Justice that it illegally operated in the country and facilitated money laundering, with a major unregulated player in crypto now exiting the U.S. Market analysts suggest the path is clearing for the Securities and Exchange Commission to potentially approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. One new cryptocurrency called Bitcoin ETF token $BTC seeks to benefit from that possible outcome. The token seeks to link its value to future spot Bitcoin ETF milestones, embracing the future of hash crypto with hash BTC. As an ERC20 token on hash ethereum, hash Bitcoin ETF anticipates the imminent hash Bitcoin ETFs. Positioned to leverage their approval, this visionary project offers a gateway to the evolving crypto world. Pick twitter.com/IamAbovCD, BTC token at BTC token November 23, 2023. When news emerged, Bitcoin's price dipped 2% while Binance Coin plunged 10%. Some argue it disadvantages crypto's early pioneers versus Wall Street newcomers. Yet analysts see the potential for more compliant crypto firms. Companies like Coinbase partner for surveillance sharing and have major financial backers. For investors seeking exposure, $BTC offers a targeted play. The token ties mechanisms like transaction burn to real-world ETF events. To ensure scarcity and value accrual, Bitcoin ETF token has implemented a hard cap of $4.956 million on the total supply. This fixed ceiling creates verifiable scarcity and prevents inflationary pressures. The current stage of its presale ends in less than a day, after which the token price rises from 56 cents to 58 cents. With Binance eliminated as a regulatory hurdle, all eyes turn to whether a spot Bitcoin ETF will finally materialize. Bitcoin Minetrix's stake-to-mine model makes it one of the best crypto to buy now. Investors have poured nearly $4.3 million into the Bitcoin Minetrix presale, propelling the unique stake-to-mine cryptocurrency project closer to its goal of democratizing Bitcoin mining. The presale's progress reflects the growing interest in solutions to centralization in crypto mining. Highlighting the security protocols of hash Bitcoin Minetrix versus traditional cloud mining, hash BTC MTX empowers users with decentralized, self-managed tradable assets. Traditional cloud mining requires monetary deposits upfront. Hash crypto comparison hash cloud mining pick twitter.com/JHNS3CFAC Bitcoin Minetrix. At Bitcoin Minetrix November 23, 2023, Bitcoin Minetrix will allow users to stake the platform's native BTC token in order to earn mining credits. These credits can then be redeemed to mine Bitcoin on Bitcoin Minetrix's mining infrastructure. The model removes the need for users to purchase expensive mining hardware upfront or lock into contracts with centralized mining providers. Some analysts believe Bitcoin Minetrix has the potential to capture a significant share of the projected $12 billion growth in the Bitcoin mining sector through 2027. The upcoming Bitcoin block halving in 2024 may also present an opportunity for the project to gain wider adoption. The presale offers early participants discounted token pricing, with bonuses offered for larger purchases. As the presale progresses through defined stages, the BTC token price will increase incrementally. The presale has seen strong interest so far, with 77.5% of the total token supply being offered to presale participants. The remaining 22.5% of tokens are reserved for staking rewards and community incentives. With its pioneering stake-to-mine model and the accelerating momentum of its presale, Bitcoin Minetrix presents a unique opportunity for investors looking to get in early on a project with disruptive potential in the crypto mining space. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick thread and read about today's crypto news. Sign up in SRC equals https://simd co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img.